Hey creators, welcome back to David Creative Lab, your home for AI tools, design and creative power. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI music that sounds 100% human, that sounds 100% real, and in any style you want. Afrobeat, R&B, any kind of style you want. Is it ballad? Is it reggae, blues, any version? Is it in hip hop version? Is it in gospel version? Is it whatever way you can? Is it EDM? Is it orchestra? You name it. You name it. Whatever name you can name it. Whatever style you can name it. This tool will help you to make it successful. So if that is what you are looking for, you are in the right place. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is the first time you're coming across my channel. Now, whether you're a content creator or you're a filmmaker, you're a YouTuber, or you just want your own custom sound, like this tutorial will change your entire workflow. No music skill needed, just pure creativity. Now, in a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and it's as simple as you can think. Like guys, trust me, it's so simple. You just follow the step by step without missing any part. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's go into it and see how this works. So what we are going to do next is we are going to come over to our tool, and the name of this tool is AI MusicCreator.ai. Now this tool has a lot of features. So let's look at the features. It has AI music generator, AI music lyrics generator, AI vocal remover, AI stem splitter, AI singing voice generator, AI song cover generator, and so on and so forth. There are a lot of tools, so you can explore it out yourself and see how it works. Right. So now let's come over to ChatGPT to generate our lyrics. Either if you don't know how to generate lyrics, you can use your ChatGPT to do that. But if you don't know how to do that, if you have your own personal lyrics, that's fine. That's okay by you. All right. So, but yeah, I'm going to generate my own lyrics using ChatGPT. Now it's very simple. You just come over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to create a lyrics for the song Keep Moving. Keep moving, and make sure that in your lyrics, give it all the information. Give it the gen, the mood, the how you want it to be, the kind of the music style and everything. So you make sure that you give everything so that the AI will give you the best result. Now, after doing that, I also, if you look at it, I said make it motivational and heartwarming, lifting soul. Like guys, this is to tell you that you need to give AI the full information, the full details of what you want. So as you give it full information about everything, AI is going to give you everything like in details. That's the main reason why you need to give it all the information. Now as you can see, our lyrics has been generated in just few seconds. Now that our lyrics has been generated, we need one more thing, and what we need is to tell ChatGPT to give us the style description. That is the style description. So I'm going to tell you to generate style description not more than 200 character limit. The reason why I'm using that is because if it is more than 200 character limit, some tools might not accept it. To tell you it will cut away some part. So because I don't want it to cut away some part, I just want it to just generate exactly 200 character limit. Make sure you add that limit so that it will not cut it out for you. Now let's go over and copy this our prompt, right? So we'll come over and copy them one after the other. What we first copy is our lyrics. Copy from the verse 1 to the end. Once you copy them, we'll go to the tool right here and paste it right there. So you can see the option of prompt. If you want this tool to generate the prompt for you itself, you can do that. But I have my lyrics now, so I'm going to paste it right here. So I'll come over and paste in my lyrics. Then I'll go back and copy the description, that is the style description, which we have it right here. Then I'll copy it and take it to the tool and paste it right there as well. So once I'm done with that, I'll come over and put in the song title, that is the music title. I'll just come over, it's keep moving already. So okay, but still like that, let's still come over and copy it to save ourselves from typing. Then I'll come back and paste it right here. So immediately after pasting it, I'll just remember I told you that this tool consume 2 credits per music you are generating. So that's to tell you that you can generate as much as you want to generate. So I'll click on generate, then you can see music generation started successfully. Then in a few seconds or few minutes, your music will be ready without going to studio, without paying anybody. It is totally easy. Now you can see it is ready. Now I'm going to play it so that you see how it sounds. It's super amazing and super amazing. So guys, if you try this tool out and you find it helpful, you find it interesting, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know how this tool help you. So if it helps you and you find it interesting, don't worry. If you need the song if you need the song, just join my WhatsApp community. I'm going to upload the song there so that you can download it or you can listen to it. That's your choice. So we have two versions. That's the beautiful part of this tool. It gives two versions of any music you're generating, so you can now choose among which one that you like most, which one you don't like. So it's your choice to pick among the two. So guys, this is super amazing. So as I said, if this is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I always upload amazing content like this. And don't worry, I'm going to show us. I know everybody are waiting to hear if this tool is free or not. Well, the truth part of it is that it is not totally free. Imagine generating this song without going to studio. I will say it is free. Yes, I will say it is free because it's not costing you much. You know how much it costs you to go to studio to produce a full song? The time spent, in generating the lyrics, the time spent in doing all sorts of things. Like, it takes a lot. And the best part is that you can download it to your device and download commercial rights. You own your commercial rights. Now let's check out the pricing. That's where everybody wants to go. Now look at the free version now. Now tell me, something that is giving you amazing thing, are you expecting it to be totally free? No. Now let's go and let's look at the free part of the free version of it. If you subscribe free, you are only limited to two songs in a month. Two songs in a month. And you can see it's very low. But if you are going for the starter plan, you generate 200 songs in a month. That's huge. That's amazing. Now, if you can generate 200 songs in a month, and if you're going for the hobby, you can see them a lot. So guys, I'm very sure this tool is going to help you. Start creating your music content today and thank me later. So don't forget to comment, and don't forget to like this video and share this video to your friends and family and every other person in any of your channel. And I would love to see you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you all in my next video. Bye.